Hey guys, Omar here, and I recently did a photo shoot with the Fuji X-T2, and I wanted to see if I can fire off some El Cheapo flashes and get, something looking somewhat professional with cheapy flashes. And maybe you have some cheap flashes lying around, some old Speedlights that you want to fire with your Fuji X-T2 or X-T20 or any of your Fuji cameras. Now, the flashes that I'm using in this video are the Yonguno YN560 El Cheapo. These are like 60 bucks, and what's great about these manual flashes is that you can control, if you have one of them on your camera, you can control other flashes with it. Or if you have a trigger, you can trigger up to 6 groups of these flashes. So if you already have this flash system, awesome, you're ready to go. I'll talk about this in another video, but I also enjoy the Flashpoint/Godox system, and I also use that. I'll be using that in another video. Stay tuned. By the way, this is my first time recording kind of like a behind the scenes shoot for YouTube, so go easy on me. It's not gonna be as cool as like the other YouTubers with the hip music. I should add hip music. Let me show you my plan for the photo shoot, my setup for the photo shoot, and how it went and the final images. First, the plan. Now, since it was a fitness shoot, I knew I wanted dramatic lighting. So what I did was I took 2 Speedlights in the back. The plan was to put grids on the softboxes. So model here, oh, so nice. And you kind of want your model to be in front of those lights. And then in the front, another little softbox. This one's not gridded, but is shooting to the side, so it's kind of feathering the light. Now, as far as where to shoot, so we were limited to this one space here, and we did like a lot of elegant things on these couches and in this beautiful room. But for the fitness shoot, we wanted something a little bit more grungy. So one option is we had this sort of white brick wall, but there was this gate, and the gate had some cool corrugation to it. I wish it was like rusted, but anyway, this gate was gonna be my background. Now, one great thing about using grids on your Speedlights is it sort of blocks the light from the background. So if you have like a very reflective background like I have here, then the grids will help that a bit. Next, how the El Cheapo flashes work. Basically, I had the trigger on the camera here on the Fuji X-T2. Group A was my main flash, and really quickly you can change the power by going to the right. So quarter power, half power, and then you just hit this group button really quick and you can change the power of the backlights. So what's great about this system is it's not as fumbly as the Godox system. Those of you that have this system with the rolling wheel and all that, So one great thing if you're getting started, the Yonguno system is very easy to raise your power and lower your powers just by going left and right. So that's something that's great if you're starting out with multiple lights. There you go, it works.
Hi guys!
Hi, Omar here, and we are shooting with Valentina.
Hi!
Now we were trying to find someone that was good looking and in shape, we had to settle for you.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Today we're doing a shoot with the Fuji X-T2. We're actually using 3 Speedlights, and we're gonna shoot a portrait of Valentina, like a workout portrait. What is it that you do?
So I do self-defense.
Me too! You're supposed to block that.
No, I practice martial arts and I do kickboxing.
Awesome. So we'll link up Valentina below, and you could follow her on Instagram. So what we want to do is light Valentina from behind and get some cool rim lighting on her. And then we're looking for dramatic. You ready?
Yep, and also follow me for nutritional advice and fitness advice.
The first thing you want to do is control the ambient. This room is so bright. Basically what you're looking at right now is how bright it is in here. So you want to set your settings. So right now I'm at ISO 200, which is the lowest, and I'm shooting at f8 just to kill the ambient. And these are manual flashes, so I can only shoot at 250. That's one benefit of the Fuji X-T20 is that it has a better sync speed for flash. You can shoot at 250 instead of 180, which is the X-T20. Okay, so I control the ambient, and then I just use the control in the back quarter power on the back flashes and quarter on the front, and you just keep changing your powers of flashes. All right, we're gonna work now. See ya. She's got a bad wrist.
This is my bad hand.
We had to lower the weights because she's too wimpy.
Thank you. It's okay, Photoshop will make it bigger.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we're gonna switch from single shot to continuous low because you can kind of get the drive moving and get more shots, more expression. Yeah. She knows what I'm talking about. Oh, stay tuned for more Valentina. We did more shoots. We used the Godox system, the flashpoint system, for a couple of other shoots. We did some natural light shoots of her doing martial arts. Let me know if you want to see those. All right, I'll see you guys next time.